Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use parental control in Dropbox. So Dropbox does not have a dedicated parental control but offers the robust tools for parents to manage kids' access through folder permissions, link settings. So what you want to do is to actually enable this. You could just go to the dropbox.com and click onto the particular folder that you want to have restrictions on, and tap onto the three dot icon. Here you just want to go to manage access from the list, and here you just want to, under who can manage membership, change it to anyone with edit access to only the owner to stop others from adding people. And to remove someone, you just want to click onto the drop down menu next to their name and select the remove button, and this way you'll be able to use the parental control in Dropbox. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.